Hello again. Today we have a little different video. I'm gonna try and show you how I remove bad screws from the laptop boards. The reasons can be quite different. Someone try to use a wrong screwdriver. Someone put not enough pressure and around the head. Basically, reasons can be quite different. The way I remove them, I am using a cheapest cordless drill with a metal drill. Also, I am using a small magnet in order to keep the excess metal from getting in the board. So the idea here is just to remove the head, so there will be a little piece left and we can grab it with the pliers. So let's start. Don't put too much pressure, just try not to hit the board, of course. Stop from time to time and get the excess metal. Also, when you're drilling, try to rotate the drill a little bit. This way the hole will get a little bit wider and it will make the job easier. Yeah. As you can see, we remove the screw and the only thing we have here is the head. Now, if we are lucky, we will have enough space to grab the screw. But in our case right now, we don't have absolutely no space in here. Because actually we did use a little bit smaller screw bit. In order to make it easier, you have to use a little bit bigger drill in order to get only the head. But in this case, when we don't have absolutely no space to grab the pliers, I'm gonna show you a little trick. Get the same screw from any of the other screws and try to wind it on the back side like this. This way, when you push, this will move the screw like this. I don't know, can you see, but the screw is coming out like this. As you can see now, we have plenty of space to grab the screw. Just use the pliers like this. Oops. It's a dead board, so don't worry. And the screw is out. Now we can get our spare screw from the back. Basically that's the whole procedure. Usually, because those screws are a little bit shorter and with a wider head, most of the other screws, when I'm using this drill that I have, there is enough space for me to grab the rest with the pliers. But in this case there was no space, so you just put the screw on the back side. This is of course if you're able, if you have access. Just put the screw on the reverse, tied it, and it will push up the rest of the thread from the broken screw. Well, that's the way how I remove the screws. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.